Welcome to your channel RayofHope, and this is going to be a second class for command-based injection. You guys must heard about even command-based injection leads to reverse shell connection or remote code execution, right? That's what we're gonna do today. Basically, we will be using our OApp's vulnerable web applications, which you guys know already how to use it. Just open multi over here, and once you open, go to OApp 2013. Go to injection A1 other, open command, and you can perform any of them, okay, any of them. So I will go for DNS lookup, okay. What you can see, who would you like to do a DNS lookup on? Enter IP or a host name. So if I just do facebook.com and I do just a lookup DNS, what will I be getting over here? Okay, so guys, you guys must remember, it seems like that there's a command called ns lookup. The same response we get in that actually. Can you see the ns lookup commands that we have and the command that we receive over here? It's pretty similar, right? Right? So what if I'm gonna go ahead? So once we get to know that there is a ns lookup over here, that means we know we can perform possibly command-based injection over here. So let's check what output we can get. If I just do www.facebook.com semicolon and then who am I? What will I be getting? Okay. So it's still going on. Okay, the command was long actually. It's not why am I. It was I need to write something like this. Semicolon. Who am I? Then if I do the lookup, I must get output. Okay, you just forgot about the data, but you can see that we have received the name, right? And if I just go ahead and perform the same thing, like semicolon, and then if I do ls, will I be getting the commands like all the subdirectories? It is taking much more time right now. It could be due to my network. Oh, actually, I am not connected to the network. So just a moment. Even though I'm not connected to the network, still, you can see that I have found the PHP and all those files, right? And I can also see that this file is, they contain PHP file, right? A lot, right? That means we have a lot of details over here, right? With these details, we can perform some reverse. We already know that we uses PHP for reverse shell connections, right? So how we gonna do so? Just a moment. Okay, now our internet is back. Okay, so we just got to know that there is a PHP file, right? So we can perform the PHP reverse shell connection over here, right? And how we gonna do so? First, even for that, there's something called PHP online coder. Okay, we can get it. PHP reverse online. You just need to Google it, okay, and then you will get what we are looking for. IF config. sometimes this Firefox runs slow, or it could be my network is too slow. Okay, now we can see over here, there's a command, PHP command. So what I'm gonna do, just copy this command, right? Copy this, open this in your notepad. Over here, this IP address, you need to change with your IP address, which is, my IP address is 192.168. So 192.168.128.189. This is my IP address, right? Basically, guys, you might get confused now. What is this actually? This is a PHP code, one-liner code actually, that we use just for reverse connection. You can get plenty of code if you just do. You just need to do, because we are not a PHP developers, right? We will be using the existing code which is there in the market as it's same. But I can explain you. Basically, when we talk about this SOC, right? We talk about SOC objects, right? Which we use to establish the network connection, right? And we talk about this is the IP address, and this is the port we are trying to connect with. And the second part, we already know the semicolon that we use to distinguish, right, between two of the body part, right? So basically, this second part we are trying to execute, right? So what I'm gonna go ahead, basically, even if we are trying to execute remote shell connection or reverse shell connections, right? First, we need to open our we need to open our listener, right? That listen the connection, right? So we must open that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and just do NC LBVP. Basically, we use to listen the port, and over here we will see if the connection is established or not. And when we talk about that LBP, we use LBP to listen on any interface. We not need to specify any interface actually. So that helps, okay? So what I'm gonna go ahead, I'll just press enter. Now the port is open, right? Now it will. So if I just go ahead and over here, do the same thing, facebook.com, semicolon, and space. If I just go ahead, copy this, paste it over here, and then I do look for DNS. You can see the search still going on. Am I able to get the reverse connection? Yes, you can see, right? So we are able to get the reverse connection. So what if, am I able to execute the command over here, which I was able to execute over here? So let's check it. If I just do ls, oh yes, I'm able to get to see all the same file info which I was able to see at the website, right? Not only this, am I able to see who is the host? Yes, www data, right? If I see pwd to see present working directory, yes, we are able to see over here we can count the data, we can see, and we can delete the file, everything we can perform, right? So this is the command-based injection reverse shell connection, right? This is how you can perform. Whenever you find on a website that something suspicious command is getting executed, right? So over there, you can perform command-based injection. Not only PHP type, but bash type as well. A lot of other ways are there where you can perform command-based injection that leads to remote desktop connection, or remote reverse connections, or remote shell connections, right? So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed looking at the video. In the last video, we will cover the live website as well for you, right? Thank you.